Okay, so here is going to be an update on what I've been working on for my video game. I haven't done a progress report in a while, so there's kind of a lot of stuff that I've added on since the last one, but the main thing I've done here is I updated my targeting UI script, so I wanted to show that off because I think it's pretty cool. In this update method, I've added a for loop when you actually turn on the targeting system. So it scans through all of the targets that are on screen inside that array, and then it runs a dot product check against them to see like which one is the closest to the center, and then it will send that one out to be targeted. So that'll turn on the crosshair and set all that stuff up. So the result of that is we'll just start the game up real quick, and when you turn on the targeting system, it'll automatically pick out the target that's closest to your center cursor. So in that case, it's that ship right there. And then from there, you can like launch missiles at it or shoot at it. So all that's working pretty well now. Before, what it was doing was it was just picking out the first item in that array. So when you would turn on the targeting system, it would just grab something. Regardless of where it was on the screen, it would just pick out one of them, and I think the first item in that list was probably based on the hierarchy. So over here, I think it would scan through this list and just find the first one that had the tag. But now it'll actually target the thing that's on the closest to your center cursor. So what that kind of allows for is, before what I had to do was, like, if you had a particular target in mind that you wanted to find, you'd have to turn on the targeting system and then press the bumpers on the controller to pick out which target you wanted to actually look at. And then if the enemies on screen changed, then you needed to turn off the system and turn it back on again. But I think now that it's set up so it will automatically target whatever is closest to the center, I can repurpose those buttons, hopefully. My idea being, like, why would you really want to target anything if it's not in the center of the screen? Maybe there's like a case, to be made against that, but I think that this is the most like useful way to handle the targeting right now. So I can pick out like the individual turrets on this station by just turning on and off the targeting system, instead of having to scroll through a big list, which the list could change depending on however many targets are on the screen. So it would take like a while before you actually got the target you wanted. So I think that this will help out quite a bit. That's it.